Gonna finish cooking. As you can see, my autism daughter, she fixing some tacos. That what she want again. We done had it once, twice this week. But she want taco, and she fixing it. So, whatever she want, she get. She know she's spoiled. She know I give her my last. I give her the clothes off of my back. Whatever my daughter wants, she get. Nothing too much for my daughter. Ain't that right, Shantae? Say hey. I just love my baby. Say bye. Well, I'm gonna let her go and finish cooking. I just want to show you all. She do be cooking. I don't be playing. I don't cook for her. I show her how to cook. Love you guys.